Yan here. So, share po natin ang book sale haul natin. I know, so many haul na tayo ng book sale. Mura lang po ito. Pandagdag lang sa ating collection. So, what did we buy from book sale? Book sale Calamba. Tama ba tayo? So, we bought this, the Wellness Revelation. So, love what weighs you down so you can love God, yourself, and others. Saka, innovative strategies for unlocking difficult children. So, yan, handling mga challenging people. Parang, at may exercises siya. So, yan ang ating haul from book sale in SM Calamba. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.